I never get to wear lashes.
I love these. These are beautiful.
I absolutely love these.
Oh, I love this.
I love it. Wow. Honestly, did not expect that.
It was so fast and easy, no messy glue everywhere. It was just so simple. And then you just pop these on and you're good to go.
And they're latex free.
Definitely brings out my eyes.
They're amazing.
And it doesn't matter whether you're old or young. When you want to look sexy, this is what you're gonna do.
My clients will love this. Just as my twin. I'm just allergic to lash glue in general, and I just get really dry eyelids and obsessed. I'm gonna be using this for like the rest of my life.
I'm gonna be so cute for Basil. These gonna be my Basil lashes.
They are amazing.
These are some sexy lashes. Look at this. Look at this.
No glue, that's my style. Exactly. I'm never gonna wear any other eyelashes, like, ever.
Yes. I'm so sorry. I'm so excited.